Okay, good morning, dear students. So, instead of our live classes, today we are going to discuss about the one mark question. So, this is our live offline revision 3. Okay, in this revision, we are going to revise, okay, one mark question and match the pairs with answers. Okay, in your examination you will total 11 question will be there, and from the 11 you have to compulsory, all the 11 question are mandatory. Okay, so without wasting our time, our first question is define that revolution of the earth, the movement of the earth around the sun on imaginary path is called the revolution of the earth. Okay, next question. Okay, why do season occurs? So due to the revolution of the and tilt of the earth. Revolution and tilt are the most two important points. Okay, next question. What is the shape of the orbit? And you know that we have discussed in chapter number 5 that the shape of the orbit is oval or egg shaped. Okay, two things you have to keep these things in the mind: oval or egg shaped. Okay, oval or egg shaped or elliptical. Next question. Why do day and night occurs? Why do day and night occurs? So due to the rotation. First one is rotation, and this should due to the rotation of the earth, day and night occurs. Our next question is define local government. So local government, that we have discussed that. Here you can see that the government body that operates at village, town or city level. These three things that you have to keep remember. First one is that it operates at village, town or city level is called local level government. Next question. Okay, define national government. The government body that maintains law, peace and order and takes off work related to the entire nation is called national level government. Okay, just write down, if you during this video, if you want to note it down all this question and answer. Okay, it is better for you. Next question. Define legislative. From chapter number 3. The organ of the government that frame acts or laws. It is the meaning of the legislative. So we have main three chief organs of the government. First one is legislative, second one is executive, and the third one is judiciary, and legislative is one among them. Next question. Define government. The institution which makes law and execute it is called government. Next question. What is northern hemisphere? Oh, very easy to understand. What is northern hemisphere? Okay, just see that the part of the earth, okay, above the 0° latitude, the equator in the north is called the northern hemisphere. In the same way, What is southern hemisphere? Okay, the part of the earth that below 0 degree latitude, above and below. Above it is called northern hemisphere, and the southern it is called southern hemisphere. Below the 0 degree and below the 0 degree and on upward, above and below. Next question. Who was Amir Khusro? From chapter number 8. A poet, a famous poet for his work in the royal court of Alauddin Khilji. Okay, next question. Next question is, define the rotation of the earth. The circular movement of the earth on its own imaginary axis is called the rotation of the earth. Next question. Define orbit. That this question you have studied more than 50 times. Okay. But once again we are going to repeat the same question again here. The imaginary path in the space on which the earth revolves around the sun is called orbit. Okay. Next question is, what is a year? A period of 365 days which is the earth requires to complete one revolution. Okay, so earth takes 365 to complete one revolution around the sun. Okay, and that is why it is known as the revolution of the earth. Okay, revolution. What is a year? That I am going to show you that we have already discussed. Okay, dear students. Our next question is, what is the chief task of the governor? What is the chief task of the governor? Okay, so the chief task of the governor is to administer the entire state. Okay, administer the entire state. Next question. How do we come to know about the work of the government? So through the media such as newspaper, radio, TV, internet, social media, etc. Every day we are getting lots of news about the works that government has launched, lots of different schemes for the poor, for the marginalized, for the village people, for the elders, for the citizens, for the youth, for the girls, for the students, for the ladies. Okay, so government is launching, and through these social media networks, TV channels, news channels, internet, radio and newspapers, we come to know about the works of the government. Okay, through the newspaper every day lots of news are coming on these platforms. Next question. Which facilities does the government provide? So that we have discussed in chapter number 3 about the definition of the government and these facilities, these requirements that government has to provide compulsory to the every citizen of India. So which facilities does the government provide? So facilities like ration shops, educational institutions, okay, hospitals, emergency aids. In emergency aid, coronavirus is going on, so government has provided lots of things. Judiciary to give justice, transportation, postal service, railway. So these are the basic facilities that government provides. Next question. What are latitudes and longitudes? The imaginary horizontal lines drawn on the globe is called latitudes. Okay, imaginary horizontal line drawn on the globe is called latitude, and the imaginary vertical lines drawn on the globe is called longitudes. Horizontal and vertical, okay, two lines. So don't be confused in this question. Latitudes first one, and the second thing is the longitudes. Next question. When was Delhi Sultanate established? So in the beginning of 13th century, around the year 1206 century. So around the beginning of 13th century, the Delhi Sultanate was established. Next question. What is Qutub Minar? So in this period, so during our live classes, dear students, we have taken more than 5 lectures, 5 live classes to explain about the Delhi Sultanate, which different rulers came to the throne of Delhi. Okay, so the Qutub Minar, so it was an artistic size pillar in Delhi, whose construction was started by Qutbuddin Aibak. But before the completion of this world famous stone pillar, he died. So his son-in-law Iltutmish came to the throne and completed the remaining construction of the world famous Qutub Minar. Okay, next question. Who is the Chief Minister of Gujarat? Very easy answer. Okay, Mr. Vijay Rupani is the Chief Minister or the CM of Gujarat. Next question. From chapter number 8, Delhi during the medieval period. Who was Alauddin Khilji? So the nephew and son-in-law of Jalaluddin Khilji. So he was the nephew and son-in-law of Jalaluddin Khilji, who snatched away with the latest kingdom and became the ruler of Delhi. Next question. Who was Yamak? So, an engineer who helped Krishna Dev Raya in constructing canals in the south. Okay. Next question that we have already discussed. Why define standard time? A fixed time which is common for all. Okay, a fixed time which is common for the entire nation is called standard time in all over India. Okay, we have only one standard time. Next question. Why is standard time necessary? That we have discussed why standard time is necessary. So for the punctuality in work and convenience at work, The standard time is very required. It's very necessary. Next question. When do the rays of the sun fall directly on the equator? So on 21st March, okay, and 23rd September, the rays of the sun fall directly on the equator. Next question. In which places are days longer? Very easy, okay. Where the rays of the sun fall very straight, at that place the days will be longer. Next question. Define judiciary. The organ of the government that impart justice and punishes offenders. That impart justice and punishes the offenders who breach the law. Next question. Who are included in the executive body at state levels? Don't be confused in this question, my dear students. Okay, Chief Ministers and his Council of Ministers are included in the executive body at state level. Next question is different, my dear students. We have completed all the 30 questions. So you have to keep this question in your mind. If you want to note it down in your notebook, it's better for you. So our next question is, okay, very easy. Match the pair. Match the pair. So we are going to discuss match the pair. Okay. So first is Divakar Mitra from chapter number 1. And the answer is he was the Buddhist saint. He was the Buddhist. Okay. He was the Buddhist saint, Divakar Mitra. Next one is Ban Bhatta. And the answer is A. He was the Jam of Harsha court. He was the Jam of Harsha's court. Acharya Sri Bhadra. Okay. Okay, he was the in charge in the Nalanda Vidyapit. In charge in Nalanda Vidyapit. Acharya Nagarjuna. Okay. And okay, he was a renowned alchemist. Renowned alchemist. Hyun Sang. Okay. So he was the Chinese traveler. And Pulkeshi II decorated Vatapi. Okay, Pulkeshi II decorated Vatapi. Next question. Next, match the pair. This we have discussed from chapter number 1. Okay. Now from chapter number 3. Again we are going to do the same activity. Answer that I have given already. Okay. So, capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Okay. The capital of India, Delhi. Present budget in the Lok Sabha. Okay. Finance minister always present the budget. Upper house, 4-1 is upper house, means Vidhan Parishad. Mr. Vijay Rupani, okay, the chief minister of Gujarat, from chapter number 3. Okay, so this will be your answer. Next question. Match the pair from chapter number 1. Okay. Devgupta, dear students, he was the king of Malwa. Was the king of Malwa. Prabhakar Vardhana, yes, he was the king of Thaneshwara. Bhaskar Verma, okay, he was the king of Kamrup. Pulkeshi II, Karnataka, belongs to the Karnataka. Shashank, fifth, okay, he was the king of Gauda. Okay, the last one is Rajyashri. Okay, she was the queen. Okay, ascended to the throne of Kanauj, imprisoned by the king of Malwa. Okay, Devgupta. So this will be your answer. Next question. From chapter number 3 once again. Okay. MLA. To write down the full form, you have to identify MLA. Okay. Member of Legislative Assembly. Second one is legislative, and the answer is your answer is C, frames the law. Okay, executive, execute the law. Judiciary, okay, judiciary sees that laws are properly followed. CM, the full form of CM is Chief Minister, and the MLA is Member of Legislative Assembly. So this will be your answer, and I hope, dear students, it will be better for you. Okay, from this revision you get the concept of 1 marks and match the pairs. So please do prepare. Okay, still if you have any confusion, any doubts regarding to this question, 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 marks, okay, just call me or message me. Possible, I will try my best to solve your all question and queries and doubts. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.